Yo, what's going on, guys? Brent here with OutClass Nutrition. Thanks for clicking on the video. This is going to be a video out of the norm for me. I want to make a funny video and all that, and hopefully you guys like it. What the video is about is we all grunt or make weird noises while we lift, and sometimes it's funny, at least to me. I went back in 2018 and looked at some of my videos and picked the top 3 grunts or making noises that I thought were just hilarious. And that's what this video is about. Hopefully you guys like it, and next week I'll be back to lifting videos and all that. But I thought it would be funny to put it out there. It might be embarrassing for me, but you know, I think it's funny. I appreciate you guys tuning in, liking, and subscribing. I'll see ya next week.